Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best extra virgin olive oils of 2025. From rich flavors to top-tier quality, these selections are perfect for every kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love good food, you won't want to miss this list. Stick around as we break down our favorites, and remember, all the links are in the description below. Number 6. Partanna Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a standout choice. Made from premium Castelvetrano olives and harvested in Sicily, this monovarietal oil brings a rich, full-bodied flavor that's ideal for anyone who loves strong, vibrant tastes. It's first cold-pressed, ensuring maximum freshness and preserving its natural antioxidants and nutrients. The 3-liter tin, 101 OZ, is not only practical for heavy use, but also designed for easy storage. Measuring 6 bars to 3.75 or 10.25 inches and weighing 6.3 pounds. It's an excellent choice for serious home cooks and professional kitchens alike. Customers highlight its robust flavor, perfect for enhancing hearty sauces, grilled meats, and rustic dishes. It also makes a fantastic dipping oil with just a sprinkle of sea salt. Produced by Partanna and still actively available, this oil remains a trusted staple for those who want a true taste of Italy. For anyone seeking a pure, strongly flavored extra virgin olive oil, Partanna delivers quality and authenticity in every pour. Number 5. Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a reliable and flavorful staple that delivers impressive quality at a great price. Cold extracted and unrefined, this oil maintains its natural aroma and richness. Pressed and bottled in Italy, it brings authentic Mediterranean flavor right into your kitchen. This 2-liter bottle offers excellent value, especially for those who cook frequently. The oil has a smooth texture with subtle herbal and peppery notes, making it suitable for everything from sautéing and roasting to finishing dishes and baking. Whether you're grilling meats or drizzling over fresh vegetables, it consistently enhances flavor without being overpowering. Users love its versatility and price-to-quality ratio. One reviewer mentions using it for the 5th time and being impressed by its consistency and taste. It's become a go-to choice for many who previously relied on premium Italian brands like Colavita. Amazon backs the product with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, showing confidence in what they offer. For everyday use, this olive oil combines Italian craftsmanship with affordability, making it a smart, flavorful pick for your pantry. Number 4. Atlas Olive Oils brings you one of the finest extra virgin olive oils, harvested from the foothills of Morocco's Atlas Mountains. Grown in a rare and pristine climate, these organic olives are cold-pressed and unprocessed, resulting in a polyphenol-rich oil trusted by Michelin-starred chefs around the world. This 1-liter bottle offers a premium flavor experience, a smooth, light oil with a delicately layered aroma of almonds, fresh herbs, sweet banana, lemon, and basil. The taste is refined yet vibrant, enhancing everything from fresh vegetables and pasta to hearty sauces and baked goods. Certified 100% organic and chemical-free, Atlas EVO ensures maximum health benefits without compromising on purity or taste. Its high polyphenol content not only boosts wellness, but also adds a fresh, lively character to every dish. Customers rave about its lightness, flavorful complexity, and health benefits, making it a superior alternative to heavier oils or butter. Sustainably sourced from a single-family farm, Atlas olive oil offers a luxurious, ethical, and unforgettable addition to your kitchen. Number 3. Pompeian Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves bold, authentic flavors. Made from first cold-pressed olives and crafted by the olive oil people, this EVOU offers a full-bodied taste that's ideal for everything from salad dressings and marinades to sautéing and finishing dishes. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, NAOOA, Pompeian's oil is naturally gluten-free, kosher, and non-GMO project verified, giving you a product that's both trustworthy and high quality. Its peppery aftertaste is a clear sign of genuine, cold-pressed purity, something users often highlight as proof of its authenticity. Many customers use it not only for cooking, but also as a dietary supplement, praising its potential benefits for reducing inflammation. The large 101 fluid ounce size makes it a smart, cost-effective option for households that cook often and appreciate a rich, robust flavor. With over a century of olive oil craftsmanship behind it, Pompeian continues to deliver consistent quality. If you want a hearty, flavorful olive oil at a reasonable price, this robust variety won't disappoint. Number 2. Ellora Farms, Single Estate. Extra virgin olive oil offers a premium, authentic taste straight from the heart of Greece. This olive oil is sourced from the Koroneiki olive variety grown in the Kolimvari region of Crete, ensuring the highest quality and a rich, fruity aroma with a delightful peppery finish. Certified with the PDO, Protected Designation of Origin seal, it guarantees both its origin and exceptional quality. What sets Ellora Farms apart is its commitment to traceability. Each tin is numbered, allowing you to easily trace the product's journey from the olive grove to your table, ensuring full transparency and authenticity. This fully traceable oil is cold-pressed, unrefined, and free of additives, solvents, or preservatives, making it a pure and natural option. Users rave about its superior flavor, recommending it for dipping bread, enhancing salads, or drizzling over dishes. Its taste is so good, it shouldn't be used for cooking. Plus, with its sustainable carbon-neutral production, Ellora Farms offers a top-tier, eco-friendly option for olive oil lovers. Number 1. Atlas 3L. Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin. Olive oil is a top-tier product that brings the authentic flavors of Morocco to your kitchen. Grown in the Atlas Mountains, the olives are carefully harvested and cold-pressed to create an oil that's both flavorful and nutrient-rich. The high polyphenol content makes this oil a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their health while enjoying great taste. This olive oil offers a delicately complex aroma with hints of almonds, fresh herbs, and a subtle mix of bananas, lemons, and basil. The flavor is robust, with a distinctive peppery finish, making it ideal for a variety of dishes from drizzling over salads and dipping bread to adding richness to your cooking and baking. Atlas olive oil is not only 100% organic, but it's also free from additives, chemicals, and preservatives. Trusted by Michelin star chefs, this oil is the gold standard when it comes to premium quality. Although it's a bit on the pricier side, its purity, flavor, and health benefits make it well worth the investment. That wraps up our list of the best extra virgin olive oils for 2025. We hope you found some new favorites. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each oil. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.